If you love indigo and cream textures that already feel coordinated, stay with me. This 5-piece bundle of 8 by 10-inch cuts builds into a much richer reveal as each piece comes forward. It includes a cotton blend base with embroidery. This is an abstract design. Here's a close-up. Okay, this is the back. This is a lighter weight. And this second piece, now this is a kind of a variation in the weave, but it's a nice base fabric. See the texture in that? It's a nice texture. This is also a lighter weight, and it pairs nicely with this piece. Okay, two textures there, but really gives it some definition there. Okay, and this third piece, this is an indigo tweed. You can see the variation of color of different, kind of that purplish blue color in the weave. Let's get a close-up. Very nice texture. This is the back. It's a very slight coating, not much, but it is a softer fabric. And let's put these together. Just building out this bundle. Look how that works. Okay. And this piece, this is a faux leather, so this will definitely give you a nice texture that's different. You can see, look how nice that looks. This is a very high-end leather, faux leather. The back is kind of a fabric backing. But look at that. Look at that texture. That's perfect for what we're trying to do, which is build out a bundle that has a lot of texture. Look at that. Okay. And this piece here is also an indigo piece, but it is a woven. It is a synthetic. It's a lightweight. And you can look at the variation of color in that. Look at the different indigo colors in there, coloring in that. And let's put that together with this bundle so we can see how everything plays together. Okay. Look at that. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.